We all have stress come in our lives. We can't stop the stress coming in. It's almost impossible to change your environment. What you can do and what you should be doing is changing how you perceive the environment. So what cold exposure does is it microdoses stress on your body. And what that does is allows your cells in your body to be more resilient to stress. My approach to this cold exposure and this practice with Unbounded is really to bring an experience of surrender. Most of us walk through our daily lives fearful. We're fearing a ton of things. Whatever the situation is, we create these fears in our mind. I want to create a space, whether that be for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, where there is absolutely no fear. Where you're embracing fear, you're embracing aspects that you find uncomfortable and discomfort, and you're walking into those with confidence. Because that's really where bliss comes from. It comes from overcoming fear. So when you allow yourself to be exposed to controlled stress, it can make monumental changes for the rest of your life. So whether you've done cold exposure or haven't done cold exposure and you live in Oshawa, I want you guys to join me. I want us to join together. I want to join a community, and I want us to experience this together.